What up, world? What's going on? How you got motion, but you ain't got no progress? Look, I hear y'all screaming, you got motion, but look, it don't matter. Motion versus progress, them two totally different things. I mean, motion is like, for me, in the business aspect, motion is like making money, but you ain't profiting any money. Money's coming in and going out, but you don't have anything, no profits at the end. You just moving money around. Why, you ever heard of a company going bankrupt before? Well, that's kind of like just having motion. It's just like, companies making money, Toys R Us was making money. They just wasn't profiting no money, The margins were going down. They were declining. So they had motion. They had people coming in the door here and there, but they just didn't have no progress, man. They didn't have no profits, But I don't want you guys to, get those two things mixed up, because somebody's out here doing a lot of moving and even maybe making money, but that don't mean they're profit money, okay? Don't get the two mixed up. Stop trying to size yourself up to the guy next to you, because you don't never know. You don't never know. It's all part of the game. Look, but if you think that motion is more important than progress, you got to be out of your mind. Make sure y'all comment progress in the comments too. If you're watching this video, make sure you comment progress, because look, we looking for progress, not motion. Progress versus motion. Shit, I'm taking progress all the time. I might, just because I got progress, I might have way less motion. Like, I might be doing a deal. You might do a deal once a month. If that deal make you 100,000 every month, then you don't need a whole lot of motion. You just need progress. Don't get motion and progress mixed up, man. Sometimes it can make you feel like you're on a treadmill, going nowhere, but just running, because you think everybody else out there got motion like that, and they really don't. It's all it really is motion. Like I say, even just because you got a business don't mean it's making money either. You got the motion, but you need the progress. So don't get the two mixed up. Don't just be doing manual tasks that ain't gonna make you money and ain't gonna add up to your it ain't gonna add to the bottom line. I've been in this game for a long time, and progress is where it really is at, And it's just one day at a time progress. I'd rather have slow motion than a whole bunch of motion. A bunch of some slow motion that's giving me some slow motion that's giving me good progress, than fast motion that's giving me no progress. It don't leave me with nothing. I'm trying to have something. You got to be more diligent than the next dude. I just wanted y'all today, I just wanted to just give y'all that little bit of tip today that, don't get motion mixed up with progress. I'm going to get with y'all in a minute, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Lock in. Some more videos will be coming up. Comment in the comments. Holla at me later.